Silver price is tanking right now, but why is this happening? That's what I want to talk about today. Let's get into it. Did you know SD Bullion is giving away a monster box of 2023 Silver Eagles? Sign up today at sdbullion.com/sweepstakes. Thank you so much for watching my video. I do sincerely appreciate it. Here we are looking at the 1 week chart for silver, and as you can see, it is trending downward at a very rapid pace. We are down almost 4% on the day, currently an 88-cent drop. So silver spot price is sitting at $21.43. If we back up to 1 week ago, we can see silver was at $23.55. So we're down $2 in just 1 week. And in fact, this is a 6+ month low for silver. We got to go all the way back to March to see a lower spot price than we have currently. So I would say, yeah, silver is definitely tanking. Why is silver moving down so fast? Well, simply because the dollar is soaring. Let's go back to the 1 week chart, and if we overlay the US dollar in blue, you can see the dollar is moving up and silver is moving down. So no surprise here. The dollar is very strong right now. In fact, it is the strongest it's been all year. We would have to back all the way up to November of 2022 to see a stronger dollar than we have right now. So I guess the question is, why is the dollar so strong? One reason is that the government shutdown is not going to happen, at least not until mid-November. Congress did approve the 45-day extension, so crisis averted, right? Well, if they can't agree on funding, then clearly there will be a government shutdown in November. So at that point, we probably would see the dollar start to get much weaker from where it is right now. But until then, crisis averted. Another reason for the surge in dollar strength is the fact that the Japanese yen continues to decline. So as you may recall, the dollar is weighed against a basket of 6 other currencies. The euro by far has the most weight against the dollar when determining strength. However, the Japanese yen does come in second. The fact of the matter is the dollar could be doing fairly poorly, but if all of these other currencies are doing worse, well, by contrast, the dollar will seem to be doing very well. So with the Japanese yen getting weaker, it's simply making the dollar look stronger. Getting back to precious metals, we are seeing gold and silver both move down considerably today, and I want to show you Jim Wyckoff's market rating for both. So this writer here for Kitco News, Jim, he actually rates on a scale of 1 to 10 how bullish or bearish the market currently is for different metals. So his rating for gold is actually 1.0. This is a very, very bearish rating. He sees gold continuing to move down from here. For silver, he gives it a rating of 2.5. So also very bearish for silver. It has to be 5 or higher to start to get to the bullish side. So clearly he sees gold and silver prices continuing to move down from here. It certainly is possible that they will. Jerome Powell is set to speak today at a roundtable discussion. So obviously when he speaks, this can have a huge effect on the markets. So keep an eye on that. If we take a look at the target rate probabilities for the next Fed meeting in November, we can see they're predicting rates will remain the same, 69.1% chance that there's no rate hike. In December, they're also predicting that rates will remain the same, however, only 54.9% chance. So will we see another rate hike? It certainly is possible. Obviously, if we do see another rate hike, this is going to increase the strength of the dollar. So keep your eyes peeled for that as well. The bottom line is that silver is down, and it is down big. Since just last Thursday, silver is actually down 12%, and it continues to fall. Now, I did a recent poll on my YouTube channel asking all of you, are you buying silver on the dip? The results are in. 63% of you said yes. 37% of you said no. Thank you to everyone who voted in this poll. It looks like the majority of you are in fact buying silver right now. I personally did buy the dip. If you go to Doc's deals over at SD Bullion, you can see all of the deals that they're currently offering. This one I think just popped up today. 10 silver eagles at spot when you buy a tube of the silver sword coins. That's a very cool deal. The one I took advantage of is the one I mentioned a couple videos back, the 1 ounce silver bars. Now I got to check my receipt, but when I made my purchase, I think these were right around $25 each ounce. They are now down to $23.44. This is an insanely good deal for 1 ounce of silver, less than $2 over spot. So not only has spot price come down, but the premiums have remained the same. This is very cool to see. So if you like, feel free to take advantage of this deal yourself. And it's kind of cool. They're going to pick which silver bars they send you. So when I get mine in the mail, I will unbox them and show you which design I got. It's random, I suppose, but you could get one of these designs or something entirely different. So either way, it's kind of fun to unbox it and see what kind of silver did I get this time. It's going to be 1 ounce of silver in each bar, but the design will vary. So again, I'll let you know when my package comes in the mail, and I'll show you what I got. The last thing I want to do is talk about the gold-silver ratio. Now, this is a tool you can use to help you decide if you should buy gold or if you should buy silver. Now, the ratio continues to move up. It is now above 85. What the ratio is essentially how many ounces of silver it takes to buy 1 ounce of gold. So the higher it goes, the better of a buy silver becomes. My strategy is that whenever the ratio is above 80, I like to primarily buy silver. About a month ago, it was below 80. In fact, we hit 78.34. Currently, as I mentioned, we're up above 80. So I'm thinking, for me personally, silver is a better buy. That's what I'm going to be stacking. That is why I made that recent silver purchase. I'm curious what your strategy is, though. Feel free to leave a comment down below in the comment section. Also, where do you see silver price going from here? It's down 87 cents on the day. Is it going to continue to move down? Are we going to see $20 silver? Will silver move into the teens? It seems like that is possible right now. So again, leave your comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Silver Dragons out.